Hey guys, I'm showing you this camping lantern. It's a rechargeable 4000 lumen LED collapsible camping light. This is a phone charger as well with a 6000 milliampere and 4 light modes, hanging hook, waterproof lantern with a flashlights, outdoor camp, hiking, power outage or anything that you want to use. So the function is pretty straightforward and it's handy. In the box you can see it comes with a charging cable and the lantern and a manual. So this is the plastic base and this is the hook that you can use to put it or hang it. This is the collapsible one, the silicone. Just pull it up and it will take up the shape. So with this thing, the good thing is that when you close this, it's very handy. The light is really bright, that you can see from here. This is the USB-C charging and you can charge from one end, and then you can also charge your mobile or anything from it. So that's a good thing, that in a camping one thing can serve different purpose. So once this is fully charged, you can use it to charge other devices as well. So I'm just showing you the charging. So I just put it for the charging and you can see the light blinking. So it starts charging right now. And then if you want to charge say your mobile phone, you can just put it in the USB or any other thing that you want to charge. See, it starts charging the mobile as well. So basically this is 2-in-1 with the light and also charge your other gadgets. And then you can collapse it with the thing and you can easily carry it the way. So it's a silicone, so a little bit practice, but see, like it collapses well, and then you can just take it anywhere you want. And with these different light modes that you can see, is a 4 different light modes, the bright, then medium, low, and then a little yellowish one, so like a night lamp. And you can just take it up, it will just have the same thing with the higher one, the mid one, and the low with this yellow one. So nice thing to have.